Today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to assemble and disassemble your Pride Endurance Li. So, the first step that you want to take is to make sure that your scooter is level with the ground and that you turn it off. Second step, you're going to start to disassemble by putting the seat down, lifting from both sides, and lifting it up off the scooter. Next, you're going to take the battery case and simply lift it off out of the scooter. It's held by Velcro, so you want to make sure that you tug it a little bit. Next, you're going to take the basket. This comes off. You can leave it on if you want. Next, you're going to loosen this knob by turning it. That loosens it. Before it hits the base of the scooter, you want to tighten it again, making sure that the button on the front does not hit the part where the battery goes. And then the final step is you're going to take this part, the flap, and lift it up, detaching the front part to the motor. To reassemble, you're going to do the whole thing in reverse. Lift from this, the post, make sure that the green lines are lined up, and then pops right into place. Again, and next, you're going to loosen the knob again, lift the post up, and then tighten it when you get to the desired height. Put the battery in. Basket, slides right into the knobs, and then finally the seat. I recommend picking it from the back so that you can make sure that the bottom just pops right into place, lift the seat back up, and there you have it, fully functioning assembled Endurance Li ready to go.